Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to Vlogmas 2023 Day 4. It is Day 4. It is December 4th. Yes, it is. So, I did not make my square for last night. I don't know. I've made the actual square, but not the applique, so I'll have to show that one to you tomorrow. But I would love to know what y'all thought of Black Christmas. It's one of my favorites. I like the original better than the remake. The remake's really not... Is it a sequel, babe?
Which one?
The more recent one.
I don't know. I think it's a remake, actually.
Well, they really remade it. Anyway,
Yeah.
I watched both of them, but the original is my favorite. And it's one we watch every year as Black Christmas. And if you don't know what Black Christmas is, it's a horror Christmas movie. Yes, Eva can find those. Yep.
Christmas slasher.
So, but I did make something. I made one of these little to put on our tree, the little stockings. I'll try to remember to link the pattern. I don't remember it was a tutorial. I don't remember which tutorial I followed, but I will try to link it down below. I'm going to make more of these because I'm going to try to make them a little bigger so that like a lottery ticket or a gift card could fit in them, because right now that's not fitting. No, that's a piece of candy will fit in there. But yes, so I'm going to make more of those. Let's see, coffee, Day 4. Let me smell it. Maybe chocolate. I don't really taste a flavor. I don't taste a flavor. I'm real bad at picking up on flavors. It's got to be kind of strong for me to know what it is for some reason. Decadent dark chocolate. Well, it smelled chocolatey.
Oh, yes.
So I got that part right. Well, I guess I do taste chocolate. I have a chocolate. So now we've got to do the other advents. Today we'll do the socks. It's Day 4. I did not bring the scissors over here again, so I'll have to just break it. Oh, it looks like candy canes. Oh, heck yeah, look. They're cute little candy canes. Oh, that's cute. And with the pink. Oh, I love those.
That's adorable.
Those are adorable. Heck yeah. And let's see what I got in my Grinch today. Another Grinch. It's a taller, skinnier Grinch than yesterday. This one, oh, this must be him. So this must be the Grinch dressed up as Santa, because they have the same body. And then there's another Grinch. All different versions. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love the Grinch. He will forever be my favorite Christmas animation. For sure. For positive, no doubt about it. Now let me see. Sorry, guys. Oh, no. Oh. I was getting my pumpkin.
Pumpkin down.
Yeah, pumpkin down. Pumpkin down. I hope I got them all. Okay. Tonight's video is not very good. I'm so sorry, you guys. If I don't get any thumbs up, I will completely understand. I'm a mess today. Let's see. Mixed Nuts on Tubi. I'm looking forward to that one. I think I've watched it before, but it's been a while. It's got Steve Martin in it. So Mixed Nuts on Tubi is the movie for tonight. Last night was Black Christmas. It's just a very good slasher movie. That one gets 2 thumbs up from me, by the way. Of course I will watch it again and again and again. These feel squishier than the other socks. No, they're not lying, are they? No, they're squishier because they've got more of the stitching on them, I guess. Well, either way,
That's
they're
pretty
super
neat.
cute. I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully my video will be much better. I'll be more prepared. We've had a kind of a weird day today. So I love y'all. Stay merry and spooky, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.